I'm Jasmine with WTI, and if you have a little one running around, it's probably time to childproof your doors.
These are childproof door lever locks. They come in a 4-pack from the brand Wappa Baby Store, and they are awesome for preventing your little one from opening doors from the inside, especially the front door. That was really important for me to be able to control the opening and closing of that door and also into the garage. So we have these in all the main doors where we don't want our little one to be able to get access to, and it's working out perfectly. It's really easy to open. You just press the two little buttons on each side and the lever comes down and you're able to open the doors again. And it's also easy to close.
So, if you're in the market for a way to childproof your doors, if you have handles like we do, you're going to want to check these out from Wappa Baby. I highly recommend them, and that's my point of view.